Yeah, this is one of the painful parts of Coca-Cola games, is when some of the athletes couldn't finish the race, and they're just faced with, heart-aching injuries, and there's two over there, there's one over that side. It's very sad for some of the athletes, very sad, very sad. Okay, there's a race that is about to begin now. I believe this is all 800 meters. I don't know which one is this one here, but check out, the people are still coming in the numbers, in the thousands. We've been told that the grandstand has been sold out. And here's the St. Joseph School. Mãe Josefa, Mãe. You can see the umbrellas. Hey, that's Leline. It's the Leline athletes. Oh, here we go. There they go. You can watch it again on the big screen. Sorry about that, it's not focusing, I don't know why. Should have gotten a good tripod. I don't know what school is this, but she's taking the lead. She's creating a big space in between the runners. Yeah. I don't know if they sell the program or something for them. This crowd is fantastic. This is a fantastic crowd. Here we go. See? She's taking the lead. Look at her go. We got Jesper second, but that is a huge gap. Koso Maria. Nakalewa. There you go. Well, I really don't know what school is this. They're gonna win it. I honestly, it looks like, no. Yeah, there you go. na 800 meters sa QBS. Jatong warna kanang manibuli ramaro ta kasar. Boleh kecer. Ya, salam ta. Sangat tengah mo yo RGS. tally at the moment, leading the boys in Morris Brothers High School, second Natambua, third Queen Victoria School, and the girls first is St. Joseph Secondary School, second is Andy Takambao School, and third is Joshua. Okay, that is the medal tally right now. Here we go. Crowd is pumping. Amazing atmosphere right here. Check out all the people. Check out all the people. Running around. Check out all those people, man. Don't know being everything was okay with that start. It's probably it seems like a default from the officials themselves. Particularly this guy here. Okay, now they're gonna take the march again. You can hear the stadium security talking behind me to clear the space. So. All right, here we go. Hopefully this is it. Here we go. 200 meter sub junior girls. And there they go. There they go. If you can look it up on the screen, the big screen up there. I think it's a head-to-head with St. Joseph, and St. Joseph takes it. St. Joseph takes it. Amazing, man. That is amazing. St. Joseph. Ooh, excitement from the school. Check them out. St. Joseph's in Scotland. This is one of the underdog schools. This school here, nothing at all. This is nothing to do. They were just silent during the week. They just prepared themselves. And they're actually leading the tables for the ladies, for the girls, by 5 points, and now it's going to be 6 points. And that's amazing. That's an amazing achievement. So far, so good. This is one of the stars of Coca-Cola games. This is Eleanor. Yep, that's her. This is the senior girls, 200 meters. And this is one of the stars of Coca-Cola games. Yeah, just like that. To the heavens. I'm just focused on her because I don't know the runners. Oh yeah, this girl here was on the paper. St. Joseph. Yeah. Right. This is the finals of the big guns. St. Joseph and ACS. Look at them. Here we go. This is Eleanor. The girl in the front is totally forgot his name. But this is the finals. Not to mention, we also have Gospel High School, same Cross College. We have Jasper, Super Grammar. And I don't know what's the other school. Okay, here we go. Boy, I can feel what's happening here right now. These runners. You don't have to underestimate these runners, these other runners, even though they're not known. They have been prepared. They are prepared to do this. Meter final. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. All right, here we go. This is them. The battle of the big guns. This is amazing, man. This is amazing. Here we go. That was a late start from St. Joseph, but you can see that they are really fast. And here we go on the big screen. On the big screen we have St. Joseph and ACS. ACS is leading. Illinois is leading. Illinois, I think Illinois is going to take it. Yes, he is going to take it. Amazing, man. Amazing, amazing. I'm the black and mouse school, man. Hey, no vale mula na dito. Kuwara rasa, totoka. As we say here in Fiji, mate na ilabo, mate now. The senior boys, 200 meters. Getting exciting, man. It's getting exciting. Yeah. This is exciting. Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out. The pom-pom goes for the ACS school. It's on the grandstand. I can zoom into that, but you know, these are the freelancers. This is a freestyle, not rehearsed, you know, free choreography. Very good, very good, very good. Good out, good out. All right. That's the interview from the 200 meters winner, Eleanor. She was on one of the billboards. Oh yeah, she's back here. She is. On the FNPF billboard. That's her. That's Eleanor. St. Lucie. Nice. FNPF sponsored. Oh, amazing, man. Yeah, this goes here on the screen, on the big screen. All right. Here we go. The final of the senior boys. No, yung buhay ang karang ito ko mo. Kemueli Super Grammar. Look, number 5. Kemueli. This is printed at you know, names have been mentioned here at the Coca-Cola games. But you don't want to underestimate, you know, smartest. This is amazing. Alright, you got Kemu here, and you got Super Marist over there. Kimberley for Silver Grammar. And the rain is pouring down. Here we go. Oh man, it's taking up too much time. What are they trying to prove? Come on, man, just let them run. Run, Forrest, run. Okay, this is it. I'm taking a knee because I don't want to, block people at the back. Here you go. It's off. Big screen. On the big screen we have Silver Grammar, both Silver Grammar coming in. I think that's Kimberley right there. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. I really want it. Amazing. This is so good. Now we'll live Fiji. Now we'll live Cots. That's the end of the 200 meters, and now I believe that we're gonna witness the 4x1, or is it the 4x4?